Look at all those leaves. I'm a pretty fun guy, but it looks like Stella Science is up to something. Let's go find out what.
Oh, hi! I'm just working outside on this beautiful day. Look at all the beautiful, rich soil. Nature recycles leaves and plants. Over time, they decompose into nutrients for the soil. This gives me an idea. Let's create our own compost bin. How does this work? By stacking in layers.
First, the brown layer. Next, the green layer. After that, a layer of soil. Then we can add some food scraps on top. Then repeat.
Hey guys, I'm a leaf and I go at the bottom of the compost pile. This is a layer that is so high in carbon, but we are the foundation of the compost.
And now the second layer, green. These are some weeds from the flower garden. Stirring this sure is a dirty job. Actually, the allergies are affected too. Remember to water between layers. I think I'll use this soil from this old broken pot.
Oh, that's all right.
Let's put in some food scraps. Even save some coffee grounds. I think I'll try the tea bags too. Just put the whole thing in. All you have to do is repeat the layers. Okay, we're going to let those tiny microorganisms do their work. We can't see them, but they are going to work. When they start doing their job, this layering is going to get hot. After several weeks, we might begin to see some little earthworms and other little crawly critters in here that are helping decompose things. Remember, if you're going to build one of these yourself, don't put any dairy products or meat in there. The animals will come eat it and mess it all up. Thanks for coming by and helping me with the compost bin. It's been a lot of fun. I better get back to raking though. See you later.
Oh, that's all right.